We believe in going our own way, no matter which way the rest of the world is going. We believe in bucking the system that's built to smash individuals like bugs on a windshield.
I was born to motor until the day I die. I ride along to the sweet sad song of the devil's lullaby. Yeah, I am a biker, straight and I'm pride. The only goal in my soul is to ride, 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 yeah.
Some of us believe in the man upstairs. All of us believe in sticking it to the man down here. We believe in the sky, and we don't believe in the sunroof. We believe in freedom.
This is the last.
The old Chisholm Trail is covered in concrete now. And they truck them to market in 50-foot rigs. They blow by his marker, never slowing to read. Like living and dying was all he ever did.
This is the last cowboy song, the end of the 100-year war. Voices sound sad as they're singing along another piece of America's law.
We believe in dust, tumbleweeds, buffalo, mountain ranges, and riding off into the sunset. We believe in saddlebags, and we believe that cowboys had it right. We believe in refusing to knuckle under to anyone. We believe in wearing black because it doesn't show any dirt or weakness. We believe the world is going soft, then we're not going along with it. We believe in motorcycle rallies that last a week. We believe in roadside attractions, gas station hot dogs, and finding out what's over the next hill.
So I drive and I think about my life and wonder why that I slowly die inside every time I turn that truck around right at the Georgia line. And I count the days and the miles back home to you on that highway 20 ride.
We believe in rumbling engines, pistons the size of garbage cans, fuel tanks designed in 1936, freight train-sized headlights, chrome and custom paint. We believe in flames and skulls. We believe life is what you make it, and we make it one hell of a ride. We believe the machine you sit on can tell the world exactly where you stand.
I have been everywhere, no there ain't anywhere I ain't been. I have seen everything you should see, everything I have seen. But I ain't made it into heaven yet. The devil still got a shot at my soul. I've seen the mountains where the sun will set, but I still got a long way to go. Still got miles to go.
We don't care what everyone else believes. Amen.